Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Pontiac on Tap. Hope you're enjoying the uploads. Today, we're just doing some running around. I've got this old Thermoquad. This is actually not a Chrysler Thermoquad. This is a Carter Thermoquad. This is a 9800S. Anyway, I've had this for a while. It is in need of a little bit of work. It doesn't really suit my needs anymore since I've gone to the Firebird systems on both the Chevelle and my 69 Firebird Savannah. So I'm sending this off to a person that knows about these carbs, can rebuild them, give it another life, and hopefully you know, do something for somebody in the future that that needs something like this. These are actually really cool. I don't know if you can see, they have a phenolic base on them that actually keeps the fuel in the bowls cooler. This being the 9800S model is an 800 CFM, and because this is a aftermarket performance version, this is actually a GM linkage instead of the standard Mopar linkage. So anyway, without further ado, let's just go ahead and finish boxing this up, and we're going to use it as an excuse to take the car out on lunch break. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick upload. It's been a nice hour-long lunch for me. Got to drive the car, dropped off a package, all things good. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you got any questions or you got any comments, drop them below. We'll see you guys later.